To coincide with ChinaSign Expo, our promotion is for our P2.5 LV digital floor poster. It's without a doubt that here in China it leads the world in LED screen installations in every configuration for both indoors and outdoors. The poster stands 1.7 meters tall, is fully self-contained and designed for indoor use. The portrait shape lends itself ideally to content with an emphasis of a vertical nature, such as fashion models, bottles, clothing and vertical poster designs. They can be used as a standalone or interconnected multiple posters. They are fully integrated and ship in a road case. Installation involves unpacking, loading content and placing in position. As a bonus for this promotion, we will preload your content in our factory prior to shipping. The screens are ideally placed in high traffic areas, store entrances, part of product displays. They are easily moved into various locations. Additional discounts available for 5 or more units.